Today, I make a nice shrimp fried rice. Take a look at this, guys. So beautiful. Alright, guys, so today I want to share with you my version of how I make fried rice, okay? I'm just going to add a little bit of seasonings on these. I'm just going to go in with some garlic powder, a little onion powder as well, and I'm adding some smoked paprika, and this I just want to use it for some coloring, okay? And an optional item here, I'm adding some cayenne pepper. I just need a little spice in it, okay? I always like to add a little crushed pimento on my shrimp as well, along with some crushed black pepper, yeah? Alright, so let's just put some vegetable oil on this, guys. Alright, so shrimp doesn't need a lot of seasoning. You just want to season it mild, just to a moderate amount. And you see that paprika, give it a nice color. You see that? Look at that. So we're going to start with a little bit of oil, and this oil, we're going to sear off our shrimp at start, okay? Alright, so we're going to start with these shrimps. And we're going to sear these on both sides for about a minute or two. Shrimp don't take long to cook, yeah? Especially in this process, yeah? That paprika and all that seasoning just giving off a nice essence already, okay? So we're giving them a minute on each side. Alright, so we're going to flip them now. Get that nice little chard on it. You see that? Beautiful. So we're giving this one more minute inside the pot, and then we're just going to remove them, alright? Alright, so now it's time to remove these guys. See that? Alright, next up, I'm coming in with the ginger, the onions, and some of that carrots, yeah? Here, I'm adding some sesame oil. Alright, next up, I'm adding some garlic. Adding like 2 cloves of garlic. And I like to get a little chard on the onions as well. Caramelize it a little bit. That is where the flavor comes from, yeah? Next, I'm adding some bell peppers. I have yellow and red bell peppers here. Here I have some peas as well, some green peas. Give it that vibrancy as well. And now I'm adding 2 eggs, yeah? You can add 1, but I like to use 2 eggs, yeah? Here I'm adding the rice, guys. Now I'm going to add some soya sauce. And for me, I want to add a little teriyaki sauce as well, yeah? And this is optional, yeah? Drop a little more sesame oil into that. Alright, so we're just going to drop back the shrimp into this. Get some of that shrimp flavor again. And this should be ready in the next minute, okay? Actually, I don't have the right pot to make fried rice, guys. But trust me, sometimes we just have to improvise, yeah? And last but not least, we're going to finish off with some scallions, some green onions to be exact, yeah? Alright guys, now it's time to share this wonderful meal, yeah? And for me, I need some extra teriyaki, and this is also for garnishing purposes, yeah? And here goes that wonderful, beautiful fried rice. I'm going to place that right in the middle. Add some of the shrimp on top of that. Alright guys, so there we have it. Today, I make a nice and decent fried rice. And this fried rice is shrimp fried rice to be exact, okay? Well, never mind the teriyaki sauce, that's my option, okay? That is optional. I just love the sauce, so that's why I add it. And it also bring a little flair to the dish as well. Let's bless the food before we eat it, okay? So Father, bless the food we eat, bless the hands that prepare it, and bless the viewers that's watching. In Jesus' name, I pray. All right, people, so here goes. Let's give this a try, okay? See that shrimp? Not overcook. Season right. I'll mash up the design now. Taste some of that nice fried rice, eh? People take a look at this. See that? Pure niceness. Speechless. Alright peeps, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos like this. And if you love this shrimp fried rice, give this video a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right.